Step 1. Enable AirDrop on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access Control Center. Press firmly or long press the network settings card. Tap on AirDrop and select Contacts Only or Everyone, depending on your preference. Step 2. Select Photos to AirDrop. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Navigate to the album or folder containing the photos you want to AirDrop. Step 3. Initiate AirDrop. Tap on the photo you wish to AirDrop. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by a square with an arrow pointing up. Step 4. Choose AirDrop recipient. From the list of sharing options, tap on AirDrop. Select the device you want to AirDrop the photo to. Step 5. Confirm AirDrop. On the recipient's device, a notification will appear requesting to accept the AirDrop. Tap on Accept to receive the JPEG photo.